Silver Lake East is located just 50 miles from Jackson, California.
Just a short distance from the shores of Silver Lake, where you can boat, fish, swim, and hike, providing the perfect outdoor retreat. Numerous trails leaving the campground connect to hiking trails, as well as short trails to the lake and swimming beaches. On this trip, we visited Kit Carson Lodge and Machado Postpile. More on that in a minute. At the campground, vault toilets, drinking water, campfire rings, and picnic tables are provided. Some sites have bear-proof food storage containers as well.
No problem conserving water right here.
Single units are limited to a maximum of 2 vehicles and 6 people. We paid just $24 per night, plus a reservation fee for a single site. Double sites can be reserved for $48 per night. Stocked populations of rainbow, German, and Mackinaw trout tempt anglers to the lake's calm waters. Boat rentals and a boat ramp are located at nearby Kit Carson Lodge. The lodge features 2 to 8 person cabins. The cabins flaunt knotty pine interiors and have full kitchens with a refrigerator and freezer, gas stove, and a sink. A charcoal grill is provided for each cabin. The cabins sport private baths with showers and an outdoor deck for lounging and are equipped with a wood-burning stove as well as a propane wall heater. The resort provides wood for those chilly nights. The Kit Carson Restaurant is a welcome change from campfire food. The offerings are generous and tasty with a surprisingly wide array of choices for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Selections of beer and wine are also available. After dinner, hang out by the lodge fireplace.
They have a whole library full of games.
You can pick up ice-cold drinks at the general store in the lodge or purchase an item of clothing or gift for a friend.
A computer bag made from military tents. They don't have my name.
At an elevation of 7,200 feet, Thunder Mountain is a lovely backdrop for the regal Silver Lake.
Behind me is Thunder Mountain, like the Disneyland ride. There's no line at this Thunder Mountain.
Silver Lake spans 200 acres in a large granite basin surrounded by a forest of mixed conifers. Like a looking glass, the stillness of the water reflects the blue and green hues of the sky and surrounding trees, making the lake a perfect place to photograph and a serene place to hike.
Just a short jaunt from the campground is an abandoned Girl Scout camp and Granite Lake. Now that's a feat of engineering. They used bed frames to reinforce this concrete road. It's a 2.8-mile round trip to Granite Lake from the parking area. If you walk from the campground, that adds another mile each way. The trail is relatively flat, but you have to remember that you're over 7,000 feet in elevation. We made it! Granite Lake. Look how low the water level is.
High alpine lakes lure you with captivating views to spectacular destinations. One of those destinations is Machado's Postpile. Machado's Postpile is a bushwhacker's dream. It's off-trail, has stream crossings, and is difficult to find. In 1934, 24-year-old Jesse Machado was fishing in the lakes above Camp Silver Lake, where he worked when he stumbled across the Machado Postpile. Machado Postpile is a geologic formation of columnar basalt similar to Devil's Postpile, only larger. Machado kept the discovery under wraps for quite some time, but when he did finally reveal his secret, no one believed the story.
Check out our next adventure.